Nuhu. I am Mahbub B.
I'm Husnaya Ahmed.
I'm Saida Faria.
Here we are presenting carbon emission reduction model. Carbon is released into the air due to the burning of fossil fuels. Carbon dioxide is harmful for us. We should not allow carbon to release into the air. In order to do the same, we have done the project that is carbon emission reduction model.
It is very important in present day situation. The smoke released from factories should not be released into the air directly. Instead, we should allow the smoke to pass through the conveyor belt, where we spray the water
So that the carbon present into the smoke stick to the belt, and the belt should be washed to be the water so that the carbon present in it gets stored into it. And by filterizing this water, carbon present in it can be collected and used as coal. This coal will be utilized for many purposes. In this manner, we can control air pollution. Jazakallah.
Good afternoon. First of all, I would really like to thank Asadullah sir for having me over here. Also, a big shout out to the entire Global Public School for organizing such a great thing. I mean, we do have a lot of other things coming in terms of events and all, but Science Day or probably, the list of exhibitions that you people come up with, this actually makes a lot of impact. A good learning goes into the process. Like we can see to it, or we can exactly frame it up that, what sort of a future we need tomorrow, what are the exact amount of experiments to be conducted. And we definitely know that what exactly the world is facing in today's time and how do we overcome with all these things. So would like to thank all the teachers of Global Public School for enlightening the students on the day-to-day aspects. Also seeing to it that they just don't memorize everything, because even when questions asked to them, they had so much of clarity in them to answer them back. So once again, it was a good event which was conducted, and keep doing the same thing, keep growing, keep impacting a lot of students. That's going to really help them in every phase of their life, in fact. And the best part about science is keep trying it until you reach that result. So I would also ask the Global Public School to keep trying it till the time you see where you are supposed to achieve in the next 3 years. Thank you so much for your time.